If you're having trouble signing into Outlook, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple fix that can solve the most common login problems fast. Whether Outlook is rejecting your password, showing a sign-in error, or just refusing to connect, these steps can help you get back into your account. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and software guides. First, the most important thing is to verify your credentials. Double check that you're entering the correct email address and password. It sounds simple, but a small typo can cause a login failure. If you've recently changed your password, make sure you're using the updated one everywhere. Also check whether your account may be temporarily locked out after too many failed sign-in attempts. If it is, you may need to wait a bit or complete any security verification before trying again. Next, if the issue is happening in the Outlook desktop app, the problem may be with the Office installation itself. In that case, you want to run a quick repair. To do that, open Control Panel on your computer, then go to Programs and find Microsoft Office in the list of installed apps. Select it, click Change, and then choose Repair. If you see Quick Repair, select that option first. Once you start the repair, let it run completely. This may take a few minutes, so be patient and don't interrupt the process. The repair tool will check for damaged files or broken settings that could be preventing Outlook from signing in correctly. When it finishes, restart your device. Restarting is important because it helps apply the repair and clears out any temporary glitches that may still be affecting Outlook. After your computer comes back on, open Outlook again and try logging in one more time. In many cases, this will fix the sign-in issue and let Outlook connect normally again. If the problem was caused by a corrupted Office file, an outdated component, or a temporary app error, this step usually solves it. So to recap, first confirm your credentials and make sure your account isn't locked. Then, if you're using the desktop app, run a quick repair through Control Panel, wait for it to complete, restart your device, and try signing in again. That should most likely fix the issue. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.